Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Grace and I'm a Squarespace expert and website designer. Today we're going to talk about how to animate your text so that it has a colored gradient, like the background you see on the screen now. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Gradient-Animator.com. This is a site created by Ian Forrest, and you can see his information right here if you'd like to learn more about him. So this is a gradient animator that he's created, and I'm going to be showing you how to apply this code that he created to your Squarespace website to a section of text. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to this website and play around with the settings here so that the background becomes how you would like. So here you can see I have like a blue and green color that's alternating between the two at fairly quick pace. So you can change the gradient angle, the scroll angle, the speed, so you can slow this down if you like so it doesn't quite go as fast. You can add in whichever colors you like. Make sure you have all three of these selected so that it works on all different browsers. And then once you're happy with how you want everything to be, make sure you preview it so that it shows you exactly what it looks like. Then you're going to copy all of this code in this box. So just highlight it all and copy it all, and you're going to need it for the next step of this process. So next you're going to go to the page on your site that you want the code, click Edit, and instead of adding a text block, you're actually going to add a code block. So hover over top where you want the text to be and select a code block. So it's under More, Code. Okay, delete the text that is in there. I'm going to do this as a heading 1, but feel free to do it as a heading 2, 3, or you can use a P if you want this to be body text. You can use a P instead. I'm going to use heading 1. Type in the text you would like. Then around the word or words that you want to be colored, you're going to put a span tag with a class in it. And that looks like this. So it's the triangle bracket span class equals, and then in quotation marks you're going to put the name of the class, and you'll need to remember this name. So I'm going to use the name colorful. End of quotation mark, end bracket. Okay. And then you can take the word that you want to be colored and you're going to put it in between those span tags. Okay, make sure you do have spaces after so that you have spaces after your text, or else it'll all be squished together. And then you're going to click Apply. So it should look like a regular sentence or series of words with no colors as of yet. Click Save. Then you're going to go to Design, Custom CSS, and I want you to put a period, the name of the class that you created, space, and then a curly bracket, enter. So it should look something like this. And you're going to paste the code that you had from this website. So copy that code and paste it in between those tags. Now, as of right now, what it will do is color the background, and you can see the color switching between that blue and green for me, but it's not the text, it's the background. So to change that, you're going to add in some code that I've pasted below this video. And you're going to paste that code right after it says the background size. So it's near the top of the text. It'll have background and then background size 400%, 400%. Push enter and paste that WebKit code that I have below this video. And you should see it change to the text rather than the background, but that animation should still be happening. And that is how you add some animated gradient colored text to your Squarespace website.